News from Rajasthan, where the government is faced with a huge crunch of doctors and medical personnel.
No wonder then that the Vasundhara Raje government is now looking towards public-private partnership in healthcare, and as a start, they've given more than 35 primary healthcare centres to private institutions to run.
A primary health centre outside Jaipur in Achrol village being run by the NIMS hospital. As a start, the Rajasthan government has given 35 primary and community health centres to private players like these to run.
I mean, you don't have that number of doctors. And that's another thing you saw today. People expect that kind of number of doctors, and they're not available. They're just not available. What we've got, if we are able to do it in a PPP mode with somebody else, we will be able to give better health services to people from the villages also.
There is a shortfall of nearly 30% doctors in the state. The government needs 356 medical specialists, but it's short by 200. The government needs 3,011 postgraduates or MDs, but it's short by 1,415. And in women's health, the situation is even worse. Of the 412 female doctors required, there's a shortfall of 181. The government says private players who take over medical centers like these will have to fulfill the minimum criteria. They will have to provide doctors, nurses and lab technicians at all times. The labor room will have to be functional. In addition, if the service provider wants to offer extra facilities like x-rays, it can do so by charging the patients the same rate as government hospitals.
नहीं कदे मिले था कदे कौन मिला था अब तो आया था तो बैठे रहे थे डॉक्टर
फर्क अब एक साफ सफाई है ना और पहले मट्टी धूल ऐसे कचरा भी रहता.
But there are concerns. With the government pulling out, there will be no monitoring of how the health centers are being run, and as a result, no accountability.
अगर वहाँ से सरकारी सीएचसी हट जाएंगी तो उनकी वो स्वयं सीएचसी चलाएंगे तो वो एक तो अपने जो मेडिकल कॉलेज के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको पढ़ाने के लिए उसका उपयोग करेंगे, और दूसरा उनका जो बड़ा अस्पताल है उसमें कैसे वो मरीजों को ले जाएं और वहाँ उनसे पैसा कमाएं, उसके लिए वो उपयोग करेंगे.
But the government insists, so far, the experiment with 35 primary health centers has been successful and now plans to give another 300 into the hands of private players. In Jaipur, with cameraman Dinesh Pradhan, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.